What would happen if NATO attacked Russia? Immediately, Russian intelligence systems detect the incoming attack, and the air defenses spring into action. The government issues.
This TikTok account has gained nearly 40,000 followers with just 15 videos. Their videos are highly engaging, and this type of content is equally popular across all social media platforms. We can call it a what would happen if niche. Their 15 videos have garnered almost 8 million views. All of their videos are around 1 minute or longer. This means they are earning through the TikTok Creativity Program as well. Although this feature is not yet available in all countries. So, if they are within the scope of this program, their income from these 15 videos alone is approximately $80,000. So, let's not delay and get started. But before you do, make sure to subscribe to this channel. First, you need the topic. For that, go to YouTube and search what would happen if. You'll see a variety of topics. You can choose any topic from here. If you don't like these, then after a what would happen if, add one letter at a time and check. You'll come across numerous topics. Choose topics according to your preference. Now, once you've selected your topics, it's time for our required script. For script, we'll be using the ChatGPT. I have used a simple prompt for my script. This is my script. From here, you can easily find your script. If you don't get a good script from here, then you can customize the prompt according to your preferences. After getting the script, our next need is voiceover. For voiceover, we will use the ElevenLabs. The voices from ElevenLabs sound very realistic. There are numerous options for voiceover artists here. You can choose any voiceover artist. First, copy your script. Then, paste it into the ElevenLabs text box. After that, select your preferred voiceover artist. Click on Generate to make the selection. Within a minute or less, your voiceover will be ready. Download the file afterward. Now for visuals. We will use Leonardo AI to generate images. First, let's go to the ChatGPT. Here, using this simple prompt, we easily obtain 20 prompts. Now, using these prompts one by one, we will generate our images from Leonardo AI. Now first click on AI Image Generation. Paste the first prompt in this box. On the left side, select the number of images as 4. Select the aspect ratio as 9:16. Now, when you click Generate, Leonardo AI will generate 4 images for you. Choose images according to your preference and download them. If none of the 4 images is to your liking, then try changing the prompt a bit and try again. Once you have the images ready for all prompts, we will proceed to add motion to these images. Next, we'll add a touch of animation to the images using Runway AI. Begin by setting up an account. Once that's done, navigate to Images to Video. Upload the first image. Reduce the overall motion to 3. Then click Generate. Review the resulting video. Excellent! Repeat this process for the remaining images. These are all the videos we've produced. Now let's go ahead and put everything together using CapCut. First go to CapCut. Then download it for Windows. After you are done, open CapCut and import everything we made so far. Then drag and drop the videos first into the timeline. After that, drag and drop the voiceover under the videos. Next, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, you can remove all the empty spaces in the voiceover if you want. After doing that, we are going to add some effects. You can check one by one and select them for your video. Just select the clip and drag the effect on it. You can select one effect for one clip or one effect for entire clip. Control the effect from their properties. Now add some transitions. So from transition, select one transition and drag it between two video clips. Follow the same process for the entire video. Now you can add some animation. From animation, select combo. So it will perform for both in and out of your every single video clip. Just select the video clip and select your desired animation. Now subtitle. For subtitle, select text first. Then go for auto captions. Now select the language. Then click create. Within a minute your subtitle will be ready. That's it. Now from template, select which one you like. At this moment single word subtitle is working well. So select this one. Resize it. You can also change the color of the font and also the font type. After completing everything, export the video. So this is our video.
Ever wondered what would happen if two military powerhouses joined forces? Today, we're diving into the hypothetical scenario of the United States and the United Kingdom merging their military might. Buckle up, because things are about to get intense. Picture this: the United States and the United Kingdom, two nations with...
This is how easily you can make this type of content. The most important thing is you need to work consistently. They got the success within very short time. But it is not going to happen for everybody. So just keep working.